If you want to know how to create links for photos in Google Drive, this is your video. Okay, in order to do this, it's very simple. The first thing you have to do is to go to Google Drive and then you have to upload the picture you want to share to someone, or all the pictures you want to share, because this is better if you want to share to a lot of pictures to one person. So you have to right click on the image and go to share, and you have to press share again, and here you have to change this little lock here to any person with the link, and you press done. And now if you press right click, share and copy link, you will be able to share it to another people to see your image, as you can see right now. But if you have a lot of pictures, I recommend you to create a folder and upload all the pictures to that folder. Go back to your main page, right click on photos and do the exact same procediment with the folder, so you won't have to do it one by one in all the pictures. So if this video was helpful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.